Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to show you how to install Windows 11, and the first thing you need will be a USB drive for you to create the installation media. And then next up, go to this website, Microsoft Software Download Windows 11. I'll drop this link down in the video description below. And then go to create Windows 11 installation media. Now at this point, plug in your USB and click download now, and you will download something here called media creation tool. Open it up, and then wait for it. Just read through everything, click accept. Yeah, you want select your language, and in this case you can select it like so, and then click next again, and then it will ask you for a USB flash drive which is at least 8 GB, and then click next, and then select your USB drive here, next, and then just let it download the Windows 11. Okay, now our USB drive is ready, and then you can just click finish, then safely eject your USB drive, and then we can move on to installing Windows 11 on our new computer. So we're going to install the new Windows 11. Now make sure you plug your USB drive into your computer before it starts, and then what we're going to do is to boot into the USB drive here. So yeah, let's start the computer. And as you can see, it's booting up straight into the Windows. Well, that's normal because I have only one SSD drive inside, but it's completely empty, and so it's booting into the USB straight away, and then we can start setting up our Windows. Click install now. Just to do the job. So I don't have anything now, so I'll just click I don't have a product key, and then I'll just select to install the normal one. Now if you are unable to go into this step, then you may need to check on your FTPM setting in your BIOS, and then also enable your secure boot. Make sure it's supported and enable it, and then otherwise you may not be able to go into this step, and then it will show a alert saying that this PC does not support Windows 11. So moving onwards, click next. Install this one, and then we go into this, next, and then it's starting to install now, and then we'll just wait for it to finish, and this will take quite some time, and we'll come back again. And now it's restarting itself. The process took very fast because of the NVMe SSD inside. And let's see how it boots. It should boot into a Windows welcome screen, something. Yeah, as you can see, it's still preparing, but it should be fairly quickly. There we go, we are into Windows 11 now and going for a setup. So yeah, it took a while for me to set it up, not the way I wanted to, but after the process, this is where it is, and then after this, we should be into the Windows. and this may take a few minutes again. And we're in. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.